नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज हम क्लास 11 बायोलॉजी का चैप्टर 2 बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन डिटेल माइन समझने वाले हैं। ये चैप्टर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि यहाँ से आपको पता चलता है कि लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को क्लासिफाई क्यों और कैसे किया गया है। NCERT काफी सिस्टमैटिकली एक्सप्लेन करता है सबसे पहले क्लासिफिकेशन का नीड फॉर हिस्ट्री और फाइनली किंगडम्स का डिटेल। Need for classification, earth parlux of organisms, hain, plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, protozoa, algae, etc. अगर इन सब को systematically arrange ना किया जाए तो biology का study impossible हो जाता। इसी वजह से classification develop हुआ ताकि organisms को identify और study करना easy हो। Similar organisms को एक group में और dissimilar organisms को अलग-अलग group में रखा जाए। Historical background of classification: Aristotle 384-322 BC. Unhown animals, ko do groups main divide kia, blood containing or bloodless. Plants ko unhown habit, ke basis par classify kia, herbs, shrubs, trees. Ye classification simple the lekin imperfect. Two kingdom classification. Carolus Linnaeus 1758. Living organisms ko do kingdoms main divide kia. Plantae are Animalia. Limitations. Prokaryotes bacteria. Ko kahan rakan. Fungi plant like hain ya alag, Euglena plant hai ya animal. Is confusion ki wajah se yeh system fail hua. Three kingdom classification, Ernst Haeckel 1866. Third kingdom Protista introduced kiya jisme unicellular organisms rakhe gaye. Four kingdom classification, Copeland 1956. Kingdom Monera ad hua for prokaryotes. Five kingdom classification, R.H. Whittaker 1969. Yesab's widely accepted system high. Five kingdoms, Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Basis of classification: cell type, prokaryote, eukaryote, cell structure, unicellular, multicellular, mode of nutrition, autotrophic/heterotrophic/saprophytic, body organization, reproduction type. Kingdom Monera organisms: all prokaryotes, bacteria, cyanobacteria, mycoplasma. Features: unicellular, no nucleus, no membrane-bound organelles. Nutrition: autotrophic, cyanobacteria, or heterotrophic, saprophytes, parasites. Reproduction: mostly binary fission, sometimes spores. Subgroups: archaebacteria. Ancient bacteria, extreme conditions main survive, carte hain. Methanogens produce methane. Halophiles, salt lovers. Thermoacidophiles, heat plus acid tolerant. Eubacteria, true bacteria, rigid cell wall. Cyanobacteria, blue-green algae. Bi-eci group main 8 hain. Kingdom Protista organisms, all unicellular eukaryotes. Features: well-defined nucleus, membrane-bound organelles, mostly aquatic. Locomotion with cilia flagella. Subgroups: chrysophytes, diatoms, golden algae, photosynthetic, important producers. Dinoflagellates, two flagella, red tides cause cartehane euglenoids, euglena. Dual character plant-like photosynthesis, and animal-like heterotrophy. Slime molds, saprophytic unicellular amoeboid stage plus multicellular plasmodium stage. Protozoans, animal-like protists, heterotrophic. Amoeboid, amoeba, flagellated, trypanosoma, ciliated, paramecium. Sporozoans, plasmodium malaria parasite. Kingdom fungi organisms, mushrooms, yeast, molds. Features: eukaryotic, multicellular, except yeast, heterotrophic. Cell wall, chitin. Nutrition: saprophytic, parasitic, symbiotic. Groups: Phycomycetes, for example rhizopus, bread mold. Ascomycetes, sac fungi, for example yeast, aspergillus. Basidiomycetes, club fungi, for example mushrooms, puffballs. Deuteromycetes, imperfect fungi, no sexual reproduction, for example alternaria. Kingdom Plantae, multicellular, eukaryotic, autotrophic, photosynthetic. Cell wall, cellulose. Life cycle shows alternation of generations. Kingdom Animalia, multicellular, eukaryotic, heterotrophic, no cell wall. Locomotion present, reproduction mostly sexual. Organisms not included in five kingdom classification: viruses, acellular non-living outside host, contain DNA or RNA plus protein coat, cause diseases, common cold, AIDS. Viroids, infectious agents with only RNA, no protein coat, discovered by Diener, 1971, cause diseases in plants. Prions, infectious protein particles, no nucleic acid, cause mad cow disease. Lichens, symbiotic association of algae, food provider plus fungi, shelter, water absorption. Indicators of air pollution. Classification evolved from two kingdoms, five kingdoms, Whittaker. Each kingdom has unique features. Some acellular organisms, viruses, viroids, prions, and symbiotic forms, lichens, don't fit into this system. Our dosto, Yada, Class 11, Biology. Chapter 2, Biological Classification का detailed explanation. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो like, share और subscribe जरूर करें.